Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make my egg salad. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is add 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 1½ teaspoons of dill relish, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and 3 tablespoons of mayo. I'm going to sprinkle in some garlic powder, onion powder, a little pink Himalayan salt, a little black pepper, and about a tablespoon of chopped onion. I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to chop up my 10 eggs in my Ninja. And about 15 seconds and voila! It's all chopped up. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Add some organic paprika to it. And there it is. It's so simple. 1, 2, 3, whoop! And you have your egg salad. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.